What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, how to grow longer hair, specifically 4C hair, Kojic acid soap, the real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating collection, motivational words, much more, just how to glow the heck up in general. All right, let's get into it. Now, the question that I get asked often, and I actually got asked recently, is what time of day is best to take maca root? And I would say the morning. Maca root can be used in place of caffeine, caffeinated beverages. You don't need coffee with this. With maca root, and specifically the Get It How You Live Vitality Maca Root Extract by Modestly Lavish, you can actually just add it to your beverages, your tea, your water, your milk, your juice. What I like to put it in is smoothies, and that honestly will give you that energy boost, that pick me up, have you out here with the libido on point, have you out here with the performance, the vitality, okay? You're not going to be out here just kind of feeling sluggish and all of that when you are on maca root. And because of that, I suggest that you take it in the morning. However, you want to take 30 drops per day, and I've talked about this before, but it's always something that gets asked, and hey, we're just always going to put it out there. 30 drops per day. What does that mean? Not droppers full, not the full dropper, just drops. A full dropper is going to give you about 30 drops. So you're going to add that to your juice, again, milk, water. I say go with a smoothie, your beverage of choice. So some people ask, hey, can I put it in my coffee? I'm like, you don't want to do that now. I don't want you out here just... No, you don't need all of that. This is going to give you an energy boost. It is natural. It is a superfood. It is organic. It is vegan. It is cruelty free. And it is going to basically give you what you need, okay? So no, you don't need to add it to your coffee. And the best time to take it is in the morning. I just want to come up here with a quick word of the maca root, okay? And it is available, of course, I must plug modestlylavishstore.com. We are out here growing, glowing. It's not a game. If you are looking for skincare products, Kojic acid soap, the scrub, the wash, things of that nature, you can find it all via modestlylavishstore.com. If it is your first time ordering, then use code NEWLAUNCH to get an extra savings at checkout. No problem at all. And with your order, you will get a free gift as well. I thank you guys so much for your patronage, for your support. For those of you who are new and have recently joined the Yanni squad, thank you so very much. I cannot thank you enough, honestly. And we out here, okay? So what you want to do is tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends, hey, follow this girl Yanni because she's kind of jokey. She's kind of cute, you know what I'm saying? Even her smile is on bright with these Kojic acid products that she's using out here. You know what I'm saying? The lip gloss be popping, okay? Lashes growing, brows over here flourishing. It's not a game. Tap into Modestly Lavish if you do nothing else. And I don't want to be that person with the pick me vibes, but I do want to ask if you'd be so kind as to join the Yanni squad, okay? When you hit that like, it helps things. When you hit that bell for notifications so you can stay tuned, it definitely helps. And it just keeps me in that rotation and in the recommendations for other people to watch, okay? So I appreciate you all so very much. You can catch me via yanniceecee here, of course, and on IG and on TikTok. All yanniceecee, YANNICEECEE. I also have the Modestly Lavish pages, but I am mainly here, if y'all haven't noticed, I am mainly here on YouTube, on the tube of you. Okay, and I want to just say that I appreciate all of you. Stay tuned for the giveaways. If you check out that community page, okay, if you check out that community page, you don't know when I'll just randomly post something and be like, hey, first to comment, first to go over here and say something on my IG page, first to go over there and do this or that and just do little things. You never know when I'm going to do that, and you can get some free products or a special gift out here. Okay, so again, stay tuned, tap in. I appreciate you. It's not a game. Men, if you're kind of feeling like, dag, I don't know what to do, I feel like I'm just not having that energy anymore. I feel like my girl isn't into me like that. I feel like I'm losing it. I'm whatever. Again, I highly recommend, before doing anything crazy, tapping into maca root extract. And I have a whole playlist for, of course, my males and also my females, the many benefits of maca root and what you can do in order to just thrive and be out here, okay? In more ways than one. It's not a game. Listen. If you have somebody that may also be interested, if you and your significant other might want to take maca root and see what's going on with it and see what the results are. Okay, so definitely tap in. I like to say to give things a month before you can accurately say what you're seeing, what you're feeling, and all of that. But definitely tap in. Stay tuned to the shorts that are coming, because I try to keep those just coming and knocked out. I appreciate each and every one of you. Yes, I have more videos about Kojic coming soon. Yes, I have more skincare videos coming soon, and just a lot in general. Okay, we out here. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla. Peace.